My name is Chad Moore, and I am a teacher at Redland High School. In my basic home repair class, which we offer at Redland and Cedar Cliff, we talk about basics, construction math, blueprint reading, footers and foundations, common wall structures. We talk about different terminology and information that's related to a home. We do electrical and plumbing and drywall, roofing and siding and windows. We talk about everything you are going to see in the next 10 or 15 years of your life, and maybe every day that you graduate, you're going to see that. For my mechanical engineering class, that's super exciting. This is an old school class where we have a spin on things where we're doing small gas engine repair. This is at the highest level of thinking because you are troubleshooting. You have to understand the system before working on it. And when you run into issues, you have to be understanding of how stuff works to be able to figure out how to fix it. This class touches on stuff that most people wish they learned in high school. They don't see this, they don't know it exists. These classes are going to give you a better, well-rounded education. It's going to allow you to financially prepare for your future. Whenever you buy a home, you're going to have problems, and this is going to help you solve or at least see what problems you might run into and allow you to budget for those problems, as well as maybe not so much be afraid to tackle those problems that occur in your life. The best part about all of my classes, especially all the engineering education classes here at Redland and Cedar Cliff, is you don't have to have any knowledge, no skill. We're going to teach you from the ground up, from the foundation up. We will show you step by step. The biggest things that you're going to have coming into this classroom is showing up on time and have an open attitude. We will show you step by step on how to do absolutely everything. If you are listening, you can learn. And if you're willing to get your hands dirty, you will learn so much. Come out to course selection night, see what's out there, talk to some people, talk to some students. Our technology and engineering department is fantastic at both Redland and Cedar Cliff. For all students that might be on the fence, give us a shot, give us a chance. Just stop in and check out the classroom, see if it's for you. I promise you, you will learn so much that you didn't even know existed in these four walls.